I'm going to need this. This was one of the rescue bar pieces that, see, there's hive beetles hiding there. That's too much. They don't need that there, so I'll let those fly off. This one just has a little nectar. I'm going to leave it maybe just to fill in a spot. This one here has nectar and bees. Okay, cockroach. Nope, cockroaches. Next one is mostly just honey and bees. And a cockroach. He's going to run. Okay. I think I just squished a beetle. Yeah. I haven't touched any of these. The one next to it has brood. Just match the purples. Nice and straight. Oh yeah. See, there's eggs and brood. Brood on this side. This way they can guard that a lot better. Oh, point it this way. See, this house nice. I'm just gonna have this like this right there. This one might need a little trim. Boy, that's pretty.
Oh?
Yeah, just a bit. Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Will you hold it?
No, I'll do this. You just stay still. When that falls, you could pick it up. There you go. Now, I'm gonna trim this side. Just do a little like this. Perfect fit.
Awesome.
Oh, yeah. They're going to be able to guard this a lot better. Now look at all this brood, sir. You just put a follower bar front. They're going to have extra room to grow. They're going to have the knife ready right here. Didn't think about doing this with a Langstroth, would you? I think what I'm going to do, scoot, is...
It's John.
Yes. I'm going to trim it off here so they don't get upset. Then when I pick it up, it'll already be ready. You know when you're doing something like that. All right. These have a black queen.
Pretty.
Oh, yeah. Extra propolis. Hey, look at all the propolis in between those brood. There's a black bee. There's your daughter. Oh, here they're starting to do a little crossing. It's a good thing we're here. See over here?
I can hear it.
See the cross comb
They're
here?
humming.
I know. So I have to fix that too. I'll show you how. They taught me how.
You just bend it, right?
You cut it.
Cut it and bend it into the right
And then take the
place.
frame off. And then you put it back in somewhere else. You see, we'll just remove it here. So when I pull this out, it doesn't pull. You don't have to grab it. Just let it do whatever it does. It's just going to hang.
Oh.
You leave it. Then I'm going to trim off that other edge. It might be a little...
She's humming in there.
Yeah. And that's not just the rain. That's just...
It's the sound.
I know. See, now that can move. I might have to cut a little here. Probably something bridging. Just a little cleaner. Trim this side. Or maybe I'll just, well, I don't want to just, no, there's bridge here. I know what I'm going to do. Just scoot it
More over.
Yeah. Wow, solid ground. You know, this is where we could give them a little, just a little small one in between.
There you go.
I hate to have that metal in there, though. This one. There. Then they can grow in there.
Yeah.
You know, because they're going to need to grow.
Yeah.
Not too, normally you wouldn't move brood nest around too much. Is that touching? Yeah. It's going to be a little wacky. Oh, well.
So it's not bad.
Better than cut anything. So then that we could put in this pot. That little piece of honey. Oh, there was a good idea. It's got a bar in it too. I don't want to use those unless I have to.
Yeah. Just taking it in and a line.
I'm just going to go straight down.
Looks good now.
Alright. 3 more to go. And then they'll have a little room at the front. We'll give them back this thing. Maybe we'll see her. That would be so cool.
Imagine we will.